Good morning everyone. Today is the November 17th, 2021 and today I'm going on a small bikepacking trip to a nearby temple called Draksharama. So this is a big canal that connects directly to the sea. So you can see here a lot of fishing, trade. It's a vital link to the sea from the port city of Kakinada. Yeah, so I'm headed this way, which is south on the Google map. Yeah. Okay, so I've done about 15 kilometers. Yeah. So there is about another 18 to go. So I'll see you at the destination.